This video is for the Copyright and Creative Commons project. First, you should go into Google Drive and open up your Copyright and Creative Commons slides. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down on the left-hand side, click on your last slide, and then click on the plus sign in order to add a new slide. And then you're going to title it something like Example of CC Music, of course, CC standing for Creative Commons. Then from here, you're going to click on the plus sign to open up a new tab, and you're going to go to search.creativecommons.org. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you click on Jamendo Music, and then you're going to type in what you want to search for and hit enter on your keyboard. So then what happens is if it happened to search like some random letters, you're going to go ahead and just type in what you want to search for again. But it happens to do that sometimes. And if it comes up with it in a hashtag, you can always click on that. But anyway, so then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on a song. You can click on the play button to be able to listen to it. And all right, so anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and pause that. So we just kind of make sure that it's a song that, you know, that you're interested in putting in. And so anyway, what you're going to do next is down at the bottom, you're going to click on the download button. And then you're going to click on free download for personal use. And then what it's going to do is it's going to make you create an account. So you're going to click on create an account and then do create an account with Google. And then from here, what you're going to do is click on your account. And unfortunately, it's just taking a little while to load. Okay, and unfortunately, you might lose your search, so you're just going to go ahead and type what you want to search for again up at the top, and then you can just go ahead and click on it again. I'm just going to mute it for a second. And then if you click on the download button at the bottom, and then do free download for personal use, and it should work this time. So yep, now it's downloading. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to click on Show in Folder. And then from here, it's going to show the song. What you're going to do is you're going to click and drag it into Google Drive. Okay, so now if you click back over, you're going to click over to the Google Drive tab and then click on Recent. And it should show your song. What you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and you're going to click on the plus sign with the person next to it. And you're going to make sure that you share it with Mrs. Foley. So you'll type in Mrs. Foley's email address as well as your partner's email address, and then click on Send. Okay, so then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and add some information on your slide. So you're just going to click back over to the slide and then click under where you have the title. And you're just going to type in something similar to what we see here. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to make a link to your song. So I'm just going to highlight the word here and make the word here a link. So then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and click on the Insert Link button. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click back over to Google Drive. and I'm going to get the link to my music by clicking on my music again. And then I can click on this Get Shareable Link button. And then I'm just going to turn that on, and it's going to pull up a link. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control C on that. And then from here, I'm going to click back over to my slides. And then I'm going to paste that link just like that. And then click Apply. And then the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on the plus sign in order to add a new slide. And we're going to title this one Conclusion. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to type in something similar to the following, where you basically tell why it's important to know how to search Creative Commons. And then the last thing that you'll do is you'll share this presentation with Mrs. Foley. So you just type in email address and send, and that's it.